So good morning to all of you MSc first year physics student. So today again welcome to lecture series in quantum mechanics, and we want to continue the chapter number 3, which is the angular momentum. And in this chapter, in the last lecture, already seen the point, which is the matrix representation of the angular momentum. And in this matrix representation of the angular momentum, already say what is the matrix representation of J square operator, Jz operator, J plus, J minus, Jx and Jy operator. This Jx, and using of this Jx and Jy operator, we want to calculate the matrix representation of the commutator bracket of the Jx, Jy, or which is using of this Jx, Jy, Jz operator, or the use of this matrices of Jx, Jy, Jz, we want to show that this commutator relation. And we have to know that calculate the matrix representation of the Jx operator, which is nothing but Jx is equal to h cross by 2, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 and 0, 1, 0, and Jy operator, which is nothing but the h cross by root 2, 0 minus I 0, I 0 minus I, and 0 I 0. So this point which is seen in the last lecture. Okay, in this lecture we want to calculate this Jx and Jy, that multiplication of these two operator. So this bracket, as simply like this bracket is right is here, and multiplication of these two bracket, which is nothing but, so h cross by 2 and this h cross by 2, which is nothing but the h cross square by 2. So Jx and Jy is equal to h cross square divided by 2. Okay, and multiplication of these two matrix, so that is the 0, that is first row first column, 0 multiplied by 0, so this is 0, 1 multiplied by I plus 0 multiplied by 0, so that is the first element of first row and first column is the I. Okay, after that the first row and second column, which is nothing but 0 into minus I, this is 0, 1 into 0, 0, and this 0 into this I, this is also 0, so that is the first row second column, and that multiplication which is nothing but the 0. Okay, again first row and third column, 0 multiplied by 0 is 0, this 1 multiplied by this minus I, this is nothing but the minus I plus 0 into 0, so that is the first row third column, this element which is nothing but the minus I. Again we want to see that second row and first column, 1 multiplied by 0 is 0, plus 0 multiplied by I, this 0, and this is also 0, so that this element is also 0. Again two position, so that is the second row and second column, 1 multiplied by this I, so that is minus I, 0, this 0 is 0, and 1, this 1 multiplied by this I, so that is plus I, this minus I and this plus I, which is going to 0, so that's why this element is also 0. Again second row third column, so 1 multiplied by this 0 is 0, this 0 multiplied by this minus I, 0, 0 multiplied by this 0, this 0, so this is taken as here 0. Again third row first column, 0 multiplied by 0, 0, 1 multiplied by this I, and 0, this 0, so that's here come this element third row first column is the I. Again this third row multiplied by this second column, 0 multiplied by minus I is 0, 1 multiplied by 0, this 0, and this is also 0, so this element is also taken as here 0. And third row first column, so 0 multiplied by 0, 0, plus 1 multiplied by minus I is minus I, 0 multiplied by 0 is there, so this is taken as the minus I. Okay, so this is nothing but Jx, Jy is nothing but the h cross square by 2, I 0 minus I 0 0 0 and 1 0 minus I. Okay, now next jx comma jy is calculated here. New things we want to again find out the multiplication of jy and jx, so that is the reverse of this bracket or matrix representation. So h cross of under root of 2, the matrix representation of 0 minus I 0. Okay, again I 0 minus I and 0 I 0. Multiplication of this into h cross by 2 of matrix representation of 0 1 0 1 0 1 and 0 1 0. Okay, again multiplication of this matrices, which is nothing but h cross by 2 into h cross by 2, which is nothing but the h cross square by 2. Okay, again multiplication of this row and column, so 0 into 0 0 minus I into this I is minus I and 0 into 0, so this is nothing but the minus I. Again this first row and second column, so 0 into 1 0 minus I 0, this 0, so this element is also 0, and first row third column, so this is nothing but the minus I, because 0 into 0 0 minus y into I is 1 and this is 0, so that first row coming here minus I 0 minus I. Okay, we want to see that this is correct or not, so this is correct. Again next second row and first column, so 0 multiplied by this I multiplied by this 0 0 0 into 0 0 and minus I into 0 0, so that is the first element of the second row, so and first column is 0. Now second row first second column, I into I is plus I 0 into 0 and minus I into I, so minus I plus I, this is also 0, so this element is also 0. Again minus I into 0 0 into 0 0 minus I into 0, this 0, so again this column is also 0. Okay, and again this 0 first column, this row third row and first column, 0 multiplied by 0, this I multiplied by 1, this I and this 0, so this element is nothing but the I. Again middle component is also 0, and third component calculation 0 into 0 0, I into I 1 is I and 0 0, so this is also I. So the value of the jy and jx, okay, commutator bracket of sorry, so the jx and jy value of the matrix representation is like this, and jx and jy is commutator relation is also like this, so this is the value of jx jy and this is the jy jx. Okay, so we want to calculate the this commutator relation, so that is the jx jy minus jy jx. Okay, using of these two result. Okay, so for example this is the result number first and this is the result number second. Okay, and using of these two result we want to calculate jx jy minus jy jx. Okay, so see here, so that is the jx jy minus jy jx. Okay, so this is nothing but, so first jy jx jy is nothing but the h cross square divided by 2 in bracket of I 0 minus I 0 0 0 and I 0 minus I. Okay, and minus sign is again there, h cross square by 2, and next bracket which is nothing but minus I 0 minus I 0 0 0, and this is I 0 I. Okay, so subtraction of this bracket, this which we want to calculate. So see here, okay, once again see that the relation of the jx jy, so which is nothing but here minus I is also there. How it is we want to see. Okay, so again minus I minus, sorry, plus sign is there. Okay, okay, I minus minus I, so minus minus plus, and this is nothing but, so here what, h cross by 2, and in this bracket, so that I plus I, so that is nothing but the twice I. Okay, 0 plus 0 0, minus I minus minus plus I, so this is 0, so in middle is 0 0. Again I minus I is 0. After that 0 0 0 minus I minus I, so this is nothing but the minus 2I. Okay, what is, so this is nothing but the jx jy minus jy jx is nothing but this matrix representation. And if we solve deeply, so what is the result which is obtained there, so this is nothing but, okay, we want to take common, this twice I is common of taken the outside of this matrix representation, so that is the jx jy minus jy of jx is nothing but h cross square into twice I divided by 2 in bracket or in matrix, which is 1 0 0 0 0 0 and 0 0 minus 1. Okay, this 2 get cancel, then final result of this I h cross square of 1 0 0 0 0 0 and 0 0 minus I. And you know that this operator is nothing but the jz operator matrix representation of jz, so this is nothing but, so this jx jy minus jy jx is nothing but the I h cross square of jz operator. Okay, so this relation is proof, and similar as like this. Okay, so this is the matrix of, and why this equation is this, because of you have to know that the jz operator, which is nothing but the h cross of 1 0 0 0 0 0 and 0 0 minus I, this is the value of the jz operator. So that's why this relation, which is nothing but the jx jy minus jy jx I h cross of jz. Okay, and using of this result, so that similar calculation of this jy jz and jz jx, which is like similar this, and this is nothing but, okay, we have to calculate what, this jx and jy, this is nothing but jx jy minus jy jx is nothing but I h cross of jz. Similar jy jz minus jz jy, which is nothing but the I h cross of jx. Okay, so that is similarly what is, so that is the jy jx minus sorry, what is this, jy of jz, which is nothing but the I h cross of jx, and jz jx is nothing but the I h cross of jy. Okay, so this is the matrix representation, or using of the matrix representation of jx and jy, and we have to calculate the matrix representation of the jx and jy, jz and jx. Okay, in the next lecture we want to see what is the geometrical representation of the angular momentum, or we want to continue in this lecture. So that is the geometrical representation of the angular momentum. This is the new point. What is geometrical representation of the angular momentum. Okay, and you know that, so that is the total angular momentum, which is denoted by capital J. Okay, and you know we have to know that, so that is the J bar of operator value. Okay, so this is nothing but the h cross square j into j plus 1. Okay, or you have to know that, so again this j bar square, okay, is nothing but the h cross into under root of j into j plus 1. Okay, so this is j into j plus 1, and jz operator is nothing but the m h cross. Okay, this all formula we have to know that. And if, for example, consider, okay, if j is equal to 1, then m value is represented as m is equal to minus j 0 to plus j, so that is nothing but, okay, so if j is equal to 1, so this m value is nothing but minus 1, 0 and 1. Okay, if j is equal to 2, then m value is nothing but minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Okay, so for this type of using, we want to show that the geometrical representation of the angular momentum, and this geometrical representation of angular momentum of j bar, this vector j bar, which is rotate along the surface of the cone about the its axis. Okay, so how it is show that? So this is the geometrical, we want to show that here, the geometrical representation of the angular momentum. Okay, so for example, this is the jx axis, this is jy axis. Okay, jx, jy, and this vertical component is nothing but, okay, so this is the jz axis. So that the rotation of the component, which is considered as along the z axis, and this is nothing but, or precession or rotation of this total angular momenta, which is like as this. Okay, so that is the precession of the total angular momentum. Okay, and we have to know that the resultant of the total angular momentum, so that is given by, so this vector of the rotation, which is nothing but the j bar. okay, j bar rotation. And how it is calculate, and this rotation of the total angular momenta, and which is considered as, for example, okay, we have to show that, or this is nothing but the j and this is the mj value. So if we see the, this is the jz axis, okay, and of this jz axis your angular momenta of the rotation of the cone of its axis, okay, and the due to total rotation of this, so which is nothing but, for example, okay, so this is the center of the axis, and the upper edge or the length of this jz axis of the plus of this or above the central point, or the radius of this central or rotation of this circle, so which is of the angular momenta, which is nothing but the h cross of j into j plus 1, okay, and using of this radius vector value we have to calculate the magnitude of this total angular momenta, okay, and of this below this point the radius of circle, which is nothing but the h cross into under root of j into j plus 1, okay, and for the show the geometrical representation of this j, which is nothing but by as like this, okay, so for example, okay, so this is also j, so that is the total angular momentum of consider, okay, and this vector displacement or this value, which is nothing but the plus mj, so that is the m value shown as here with respect to this total angular momenta mj value. If j is equal to 1, so that mj, which is nothing but the minus 1 0 plus 1, and so on that, and if j is equal to minus 2, then mj value, which is running form minus 2 minus 1 0 plus 1 and plus 2, so that depends on this value, so we have to that negative of the point, so this is nothing but the minus mj value, okay. So if we consider, for example, okay, if we want to take on the one of the example of this, and what is of this, so this figure is nothing but the representation of total angular momenta, okay. So for example, consider here, so that j is nothing but, okay, so capital J is equal to, so this is the example, the total angular momentum j is equal to 2. What is j is equal to 2? If j is equal to 2, then your mj value is nothing but the minus 2 minus 1 0 plus 1 and plus 2, okay, this is the mj value. And if we calculate the magnitude of this, which is nothing but, what is the magnitude value, so magnitude of total angular momentum, okay, and this is nothing but the magnitude or radius value of this circle, and this is nothing but the h cross into under root of j into j plus 1, okay. And for example, this j is equal to 2, so the here taken value under root of h cross 2 into 2 plus 1, and this is nothing but the h cross into under root of 2 into 3, okay. So this magnitude, which is nothing but the under root of 6 into h cross. And if we want to show the representation or geometrical representation of this for j is equal to 2, so how it is represent? So see here, okay. So this is vertical axis, for this is the our magnitude axis, that is the jz, okay. And we have to know that, okay, for j is equal to 1, sorry 2, so mj value is nothing but the -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2, okay. So see here, that is the rotation of the total angular momentum. So middle of this is the 0, or this is the representation of this j-axis, okay. So for plus mj value is taken here, so here +1 and here +2, okay. So this is the plus mj value, and here the minus mj value, which is nothing but the -1 and -2, okay. So this is the mj value of respective this total angular momentum, and this is represented as the total angular momentum. So that is the representation of the j bar, okay. So this is considered as j1, this is j2, this is again here, and this is again here. So this is the geometrical representation of total angular momentum of jz is equal to, and mj is equal to -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and this magnitude value, which is nothing but the under root of 6 into h cross. How it is? Because the magnitude formula is h cross into under root of j into j plus 1, and this is h cross into under root of 2 into 2 plus 1. So this is h cross into under root of 2 into 3, and this is nothing but the under root of 6h cross. So the value of the magnitude value of this representation, total angular representation, is under root of 6h cross. So this is the in last lecture, and in this lecture we want to see here the matrix representation of total angular momentum and geometrical representation of the total angular momentum. And we can see that rotating along the surface, the cone of the half angle, okay. So and this cone of the half angle, and which is nothing but that theta, okay. And this theta is nothing but cos inverse m upon under root of j into j plus 1, okay. So this is the value of the cone of the half angle, and this is the representation of the total angular momenta. So in the next lecture, and this is as like this the projection axis of the angular momentum, and in the next lecture we want to see the point, which is the Pauli spin matrices, okay. So thanking of you.